Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Za from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from sourdough starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
What is a stretch and fold? A stretch and fold acts a lot like kneading the dough without actually having to knead the dough. Often the dough will be too sticky or wet to knead by hand, and this technique helps strengthen the gluten and add air into the dough, make it lighter and fluffier when you bake your goods.
After you've mixed the dough for your recipe and let it rest, it's time to do your stretch and folds. Rest times may vary based on the recipe you're using. Grab the top part of the dough, stretch it up and fold it over. Rotate the mixing bowl quarter turn and repeat until you've done it 4 times. There you have it, folks, the aptly named stretch and fold. Follow your recipe to see how many stretch and folds it requires. Each recipe may vary. Any questions? Leave them in the comments section and we'll get back to you.
So there's no need to knead when you use the stretch and fold technique. Okay, I'll go now, but check the link below for some great sourdough recipes, and if you need to make your own sourdough starter, that's a different link also below.
Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.